Lawyers for Ben Roberts-Smith could appeal the judgment within weeks after losing the biggest defamation trial in Australian history. A judge found newspapers substantially proved the decorated soldier committed serious war crimes in Afghanistan. The Nine network will now seek legal costs of up to $40 million. And questions remain this morning on whether Roberts-Smith could face criminal charges following this civil case, and if he can hold on to his Victoria Cross.
A liar, a war criminal, and the Lance Armstrong of the Australian military. That's what Ben Roberts-Smith has been called after losing his landmark defamation trial.
Today is a day of justice. It's a day of justice for those brave men of the SAS who stood up and told the truth about who Ben Roberts-Smith is. Today is a day of some small justice for the Afghan victims of Ben Roberts-Smith.
The federal court found most of the serious allegations made in a series of 2018 articles were substantially true, including that Mr. Roberts-Smith kicked an Afghan farmer off a 10-metre cliff, causing his teeth to be knocked out before ordering he be shot dead. Also found proved that he'd shot dead another unarmed Afghan man with a prosthetic leg at a Taliban compound, later encouraging his soldiers to use the leg as a beer-drinking vessel. The judgment brings to an end 110 days of legal hearings.
In light of my conclusions, each proceeding must be dismissed.
Mr. Roberts-Smith did not attend court for the decision, having been pictured by a hotel pool in Bali the day before. His barrister said they were considering an appeal.
Huge loss for your client today. How will he be taken?
The lengthy judgment that His Honour has delivered and look at issues relating to an appeal. Thank you.
Mr. Roberts-Smith is Australia's most highly decorated war hero. He received the highest military honour, the Victoria Cross, for bravery in Afghanistan, where he fought between 2009 and 2012. This is the first time an Australian court has been tasked with ruling on allegations of war crimes. So this decision has ramifications beyond just Ben Roberts-Smith to other soldiers he was fighting with and even the entire Defence Force. The former SAS corporal now faces a significant legal bill. Costs have been estimated at more than $25 million. Caroline Marcus, Sky News, Sydney.